Okay, so the game just started. I'm going to move her forward so she can run around the world. There we go. Whenever you see the enemy, make sure that you're fighting them. Don't run away from any of them. You have to fight. Another one right there. Ah, I think I got him. There's another one. Gotta get him. Oh, there's more over there. Gotta get them. Are there any more? Oh, it's a good thing. So now, if you see that door is closed, so that means there's somewhere else I need to explore to find how to unlock those doors. Some type of launch pad. Hit the left mouse button. That's my sword. Uh-oh, there goes the monsters, so I must be going the right way. Go find them real quick. Ah, there's the weird... Oh, what a weird stepping stone. I want to tread on it and see what it does. Yay! You unlocked it! Oh, look at the sun. Isn't that cute? I love that lighting in this game. It's so awesome. Love it. Uh-oh. Left mouse button. Gotta fight again. Uh-oh, I hear something else. Somebody's still alive. Oh, he's over there. Awesome. Do I hear any more grunting? I think I got so far. All right, the character's name is Ellen. So we're gonna keep on going. Come on, Ellie. Let's see what we can do here. Where do I go now? Looks like this is where I came from, I think. I'm kind of lost here. Might have turned myself around. Let me see which way I came in. Aha! There's another door. Oh, listen to like my feet are echoing right in this area. They did a great job with the sound. It's pretty cool. They did a good job on this. Oh, look at that. There's some steps. Uh-oh. I didn't know they were there. Oh, no way I got them, but okay. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Let's go this way. Okay, I did that. It's disappearing. I like how it disappears. Okay, I gotta find how to open up that door. Okay. Oh, there's some more steps over that way. Sorry, Ellen. She said, oh. Uh-oh. See some monsters up there, so I'm not going the right way. Okay, let me go that way and prepare to fight. Right there, some more monsters. This is a fun way to learn Unity, that's for sure. I don't know if I should go that way or should I go this way. Let me go this way. Do I see a monster up here? If the monsters are up here, then I know it's the right way to go. Oh, I don't see any monsters. Uh-oh, I hear something. Yeah, open up the door. Uh-oh. Look at this. Alright, let me prepare to fight. Here we go. I don't really know what to do with that crystal. I guess I'm doing the right thing. I don't know. I guess I'm doing the right thing. Okay, at least I got one of the doors open. Actually, let me go back up. Let me go back up to where I was. Oops. There's another. Was it this one? There's another key out there. I wonder where that went. Let me go this way. I love how you see how the voice changes, like it's an echo because underneath something they made it, like how realistic they made that. Okay, well, I guess I'm okay with this part. Let me go to that one door. Oh, I love that echo. There's one door I still have to find the launch pad to open it up. Ah! I found it! Thank you! I'm gonna go back to the location. I'm gonna go through here. And I bet I'm gonna have to fight. I was right. Look at that. The gatekeeper. Right through him, too. I don't know how to fight him. Run, 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 because I don't know how to fight him. That looks like the graphics got a little bit blurred there. I bet you this is the end of the game. Should this be the end of the level? I bet. Hold on. Let me try to get over there. Am I right? Yay! We made it. That was a lot of fun. I really love the sound. I think the sound is the best. Well, I already went over level 2.